Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video, I just wanted to show you how I used a leftover piece from a previous project that I had done. I used these blends colored floral images from the beautiful Tasteful Touches stamp set along with the dies that are great. They're fabulous. And I thought I'm just going to start with this and make another card. So I want to show you what I came up with. Since I've used a blue there, I decided to go with the Night of Navy. I cut it 4 1/4 by 11 and scored it at 5 1/2. And so I went through that tasteful, the In Good Taste Designer Series paper. And I have these samples here, and I decided to use this tile piece with the Night of Navy. So I cut that 4 by 5 1/4, and that's going to go on top right there. And then I thought, okay, I want a sentiment, so I decided to use the Just Saying Hello. And what I did is I stamped on cardstock vellum in our Night of Navy ink and then clear embossed it right away. And so I've got a shiny little saying right there that's going to layer on top. But as I put it on top of this pattern, you see it totally gets lost. So I cut another shape, one of these frames from that bundle, and I'm just going to layer it over that. Now, of course, with vellum, you always want to adhere it where the adhesive doesn't show through. So what I came up with is I just centered it like that, top to bottom, and then I'm going to take a stapler and staple it in this bottom corner piece right here, and that'll hold it on there. And then I just started playing around with this, and I see that I can cover up that staple with this piece. But I thought this needed a little something more. So let me show you what I came up with. I'm going to get some scrap paper and one of these vintage distressed images from this stamp set. And I'm going to ink it up in Night of Navy, which is really dark. But I'm going to stamp off twice. Okay, and then I'm going to come over here and stamp right there. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again on the opposite side. So stamp off once, twice, and then I'm going to come down here. Okay, so that adds a little bit to that piece, and I liked how that looked, so I thought, let's go ahead and finish the card. So I'm going to go ahead, before I layer it on top of the card base, I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece down. And when I have vellum like that, I don't, as long as I know I have a secure attachment with however I decide to do it, whether I glue it and hide the glue, or in this case staple it, I don't worry about this edge right here. Okay, I think it adds a little bit of dimension and fun to the front of your card. And so now I'm going to put this here and cover that staple up. And let's use some Stampin' Dimensionals. And just put that over top. Okay, those are all ready to go except for this one. And so we're going to strategically place that right there. And then we're ready to put that on our card front. And I thought there is plenty of going on in that background where I don't really need any more embellishments, but you would be most certainly welcome to add some little gems or a tiny bow. But I decided I'm just going to leave it just like this. So to finish the inside of the card, I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock cut 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to take that same stamp I used on the floral image and do the same technique. Stamp off twice, and then stamp up here. And then do it again, and then stamp down here. Let's get it on the scrap paper. There we go. Okay, so now all I have to do is glue that to the inside of the card, and it'll be ready for my message, my written message. So this type of card, although it says just saying hello, it could be just saying hello, and you could write a birthday message or hope you're feeling better message. So use that to your advantage and make the most of your beautiful cards that you make. Okay, if I can help you with anything, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, where you'll find the link to my online store, and you can purchase all of these to make this beautiful card. And let me know if I can help you with anything. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.